How much are you really paying for car maintenance, and how much of it do you actually need? Stick around, because what you don't know could be costing you over $1,000 every year. These are the 17 maintenance secrets mechanics don't want you to know, since it generates $169.8 billion annually. What your car actually needs versus what service advisors recommend creates a gap worth thousands, and we're going to expose every one of these money-saving truths backed by industry data, expert analysis, and real-world costs. Let's get started with the first secret. Trust me, this one will surprise you. Secrets 1. Oil changes. The 3,000-mile misbelief. We all know about oil changes. It's one of the most basic forms of car maintenance. But here's the first secret. The myth that you need to change your oil every 3,000 miles. It's something we've been told over and over, but it's not true anymore. In fact, most modern vehicles don't require oil changes that often. For cars built in the last 15 years, using conventional oil, the recommended interval is more like 5,000 to 7,500 miles. If you're using synthetic oil, that number can jump to 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Why the difference? Well, modern engines are built much better than they used to be. They're designed to reduce wear and optimize fuel efficiency, which means your oil doesn't break down as quickly as it did decades ago. So, to avoid unnecessary oil changes, just follow the recommendations in your car's manual. If you want to double-check, you can ask your mechanic to check your oil's condition with an oil analysis kit. Some high-end cars even have built-in sensors that let you know when it's time for an oil change. Secret number 2. Transmission fluid, lifetime misbelief. Let's move on to transmission fluid. You've probably heard that some transmission fluids are lifetime fluids, meaning they don't need to be changed. But guess what? That's not true. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down due to heat and pressure inside the transmission. When that happens, your transmission can overheat, which leads to slipping, rough shifting, and even total failure. Sure, some vehicles use lifetime fluids, but in practice, those fluids still need to be changed eventually, especially if you drive in tough conditions, like heavy traffic, towing, or extreme temperatures. Experts recommend changing your transmission fluid every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, but always check your car's manual for the best interval. You can flush the system or just replace the fluid, depending on your vehicle. One thing to remember, transmission service isn't just about adding fluid, it's about making sure your transmission stays healthy. If you notice slipping or rough shifts, it's time to flush the system and replace the fluid properly. Secret number 3. Dust dirty air filter. A simple fix. Next up is the air filter. It's easy to overlook, but a clogged or dirty air filter can hurt your car's performance, reduce fuel efficiency, and increase harmful emissions. The good news is, replacing the air filter is one of the easiest and most affordable maintenance tasks you can do yourself. When your air filter is clogged, it restricts the airflow to the engine, which means your car has to work harder to burn fuel. This leads to lower gas mileage and sluggish engine performance. Over time, a dirty air filter can also cause carbon buildup in the engine, which is bad news. Check your air filter every 12,000 miles or once a year, especially if you often drive in dusty or dirty conditions. Replacing it is easy. Just open the air filter housing, pop out the old one, and install a new one. The best part? Most air filters cost less than $20, and you'll get improved fuel efficiency and better engine performance. Secret number 4. The dreadful check engine light. The dreaded check engine light. That little warning light is enough to make any car owner panic. But what if I told you it doesn't always mean a disaster? Sometimes, it's as simple as a loose gas cap or a faulty oxygen sensor. But other times, it could point to a bigger issue, like a misfiring engine. The check engine light can mean anything from something minor to something major that could result in expensive repairs. The good news is, you don't have to jump straight to the mechanic. You can often find out what's going on by using an OBD2 scanner, a tool that can help you save time and money. OBD2 scanners range from $20 to $100, and they allow you to check the error code directly from your car's onboard diagnostic system. This tells you exactly what's wrong, whether it's a simple issue like a gas cap or something more serious. For the minor issues, you can fix it yourself without heading to the shop. For the bigger problems, the scanner gives you enough info to decide whether it's time to go to the mechanic. Remember, early detection can save you from more expensive repairs down the road. Secrets number 5. Brake fluid. Don't overlook it. Next up is brake fluid, which is often overlooked but absolutely critical to your safety. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can cause corrosion in the braking system and reduce braking efficiency. If you leave it too long, it could even lead to brake failure. brake fluid is responsible for transferring the force from your foot on the brake pedal to the brakes themselves. If the fluid is low or dirty, your car won't be able to stop as effectively, which can be dangerous. Check the brake fluid reservoir every 6 months, and if it's low or looks dirty, dark brown or black, it's time to replace it. Changing the brake fluid is an easy DIY task, but make sure you're using the right type of fluid for your car. Most experts suggest changing brake fluid every 2 years or 24,000 miles, but it's always best to follow your vehicle's manual for specifics. Secret number 6. Rotate and balance tires. Let's talk about your tires. Tires are one of the most important components of your car, but we often forget about them until something goes wrong. Tires wear out unevenly, especially if your car is misaligned or if you drive a lot. That's why it's crucial to rotate and balance them regularly. Rotating your tires ensures that each tire wears evenly, extending their lifespan and improving fuel efficiency. On the flip side, unbalanced tires can lead to vibrations, uneven wear, and a rough ride. Experts recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 miles, or whenever you get an oil change. Tire balancing can be done when the tires are rotated. Most tire shops offer rotation and balancing services for a reasonable price, but if you're feeling confident, you can do it yourself with the right tools. Secret number 7. Coolant. Not just for winter. Everybody knows that coolant is crucial for preventing your car from overheating, especially in the summer months. But did you know that coolant needs to be replaced periodically? Over time, coolant breaks down and loses its effectiveness, which can lead to engine and radiator damage. Coolant helps regulate the temperature of your engine, keeping it from overheating. If the coolant is old, it won't perform its job as well, which could cause long-term damage. You should replace the coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles or follow your car's manual. Flushing the radiator and replacing the old coolant with fresh coolant is a quick fix that can save you from expensive engine repairs. Secrets number 8. Spark plugs. Simple but important. Let's move on to spark plugs. These small components are crucial to your engine's performance, but they're often neglected. Worn-out spark plugs can cause misfires, stalling, and poor fuel efficiency. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the fuel in your engine. If they're dirty or old, your engine will have trouble running smoothly, and you'll see a drop in fuel efficiency. You should replace your spark plugs every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your car's specifications. The good news? This is an easy fix you can do yourself if you're comfortable working under the hood. Just make sure you use the correct type of spark plug for your car. Secret number 9. Fuel system. Clean it out. How often do you clean your fuel injectors? Probably never, right? Well, you should. Dirty fuel injectors can cause misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel efficiency. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering fuel to the engine at just the right time and amount. If they're dirty, your engine's performance can suffer. Consider using a fuel injector cleaner every 20,000 miles. If you notice rough idling, it could be time to clean them out. This is a low-cost, high-reward fix that can make a huge difference in your car's performance. Secret number 10. Battery. Check it regularly. Tapping it gently. How often do you check your car's battery? If it's more than 3 years old, it's a good idea to check for corrosion or loose connections. Batteries often get overlooked until they die, leaving you stranded. To avoid that, make a habit of testing your battery every 6 months. Keep the terminals clean to ensure power flows smoothly to your car's electrical system. Secret number 11. Air conditioning. Don't forget it. Next up is something we tend to forget about until it's too late, your air conditioning system. Sure, we think about the AC when it's hot outside, but how often do we really maintain it? The AC plays a big part in your car's overall comfort, but also in how well it functions all year round. Your air conditioning system isn't just for keeping you cool during summer. It's also used to defrost your windshield in winter, which is crucial for visibility. Over time, if the refrigerant levels drop or parts like the compressor or evaporator begin to fail, your AC can stop working effectively. You might notice it blowing warm air, making strange noises, or even smelling bad. These are signs that something's wrong, and early action can prevent a costly replacement. You don't need to recharge your AC every year, but checking the system regularly and replacing the cabin air filter annually or after about 12,000 miles is a good habit to get into. If you notice any issues like a warm breeze instead of cool air, or a musty smell when you turn on the AC, it might be time for a system flush and a refill of fresh refrigerant. A simple service every 2 to 3 years can keep your AC running smoothly for years, saving you from more expensive repairs. Secret number 12. Wiper blades. And easy win. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked but crucial: wiper blades. How many of us wait until a downpour before realizing our wipers aren't working properly? We've all been there. Wiper blades may seem like a small part of the car, but they play a huge role in ensuring clear visibility, especially during rain or snow. Old or worn-out wiper blades can leave streaks, skip over the windshield, and even damage the glass over time. But here's the kicker: wiper blades don't cost much and are easy to replace. Regularly changing them will not only make driving safer but also ensure that you're not stuck with blurred visibility during a storm. Replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, especially if you live in an area with a lot of rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. It's easy to swap them out yourself, and most blades cost less than $20. Just lift the wiper arm, unclip the old blade, and snap the new one in. And while you're at it, make sure to wipe the blades clean periodically to remove debris and dirt, keeping them in top condition. Secret number 13. Power steering fluid. Now let's talk about power steering fluid, which often gets forgotten until it's too late. If you notice your steering wheel feels a bit heavier than usual or starts making strange noises when you turn, it might be a sign that your power steering fluid is low or dirty. Power steering fluid helps you turn the wheel smoothly without putting a lot of strain on your arm. When the fluid is low, you might hear squeaking sounds or feel resistance when turning. Over time, neglecting the power steering fluid can cause the pump to fail, and fixing that is expensive. Check your power steering fluid levels at least every 6 months, especially if your steering is feeling sluggish. You can easily find the reservoir in your engine bay and check the fluid level using a dipstick. If it's low, top it up with the right type of fluid. Just make sure to double-check your car's manual for the correct fluid type. Most experts suggest replacing the power steering fluid every 2 years or 24,000 miles. But keep an eye on your steering performance, too. Secret number 14. Regular vehicle inspections. Now, let's talk about something we tend to ignore: regular vehicle inspections. We all do the basics: oil changes, tire rotations, but how often do you actually get a full inspection to make sure everything is in working order? A comprehensive vehicle inspection goes beyond the routine checks like oil and tires. It looks at all the critical systems of your car: engine, brakes, suspension, transmission, and more. Even if everything seems fine, there could be hidden problems that could lead to bigger, more expensive repairs if left unchecked. It's recommended that you have a full inspection done by a professional mechanic at least once a year or every 12,000 miles. They'll inspect your car for things like worn-out belts, brake pads, suspension wear, and other parts that might not be immediately visible. Catching small issues early can save you time, stress, and money in the long run. Secret number 15. Understanding your car's noises. How many of us have heard a strange sound from our car and hoped it would go away? You hear it, but you don't want to deal with it. Well, here's the truth. Those sounds are trying to tell you something. Car noises often mean something is starting to wear out. Whether it's a squealing brake, a clunking suspension, or a hissing sound, each of these could be a sign that something needs attention. Ignoring it won't make it go away. It'll just get worse and end up costing more. When you hear an unusual sound, don't ignore it. Take note of when it happens. Is it only when you're braking, turning, or accelerating? A squealing noise when braking could mean your brake pads need replacing, while a clunking noise when turning could signal suspension issues. If you catch these problems early, you can avoid big repair bills down the road. Secret number 16. Timing belts. Know when to replace them. Let's move on to something that could ruin your engine if neglected: the timing belt. The timing belt plays a crucial role in keeping your engine's internal components running in sync. If it snaps, your engine could suffer serious damage. The timing belt controls the timing of the engine's valves and pistons. If it fails, the pistons and valves could collide, causing catastrophic engine damage. This is not something you want to overlook. You should replace your timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, but always check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation. Don't wait for the belt to break. It's far cheaper to replace it preemptively than to fix a damaged engine afterward. Secret number 17, regularly cleaning your seat. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about keeping your car clean. It's not just about looks, it's about preserving your car's exterior and interior for the long term. Dirt, salt, and chemicals from the road can do a number on your car. They can damage your car's paint, cause rust, and degrade the materials inside the cabin. Regular cleaning can prevent this wear and tear and keep your car looking good for years to come. Wash your car regularly. Every 2 weeks is ideal, but more often if you live in an area with snow, rain, or salt on the roads. Focus on cleaning the underbody, wheel wells, and paint to prevent corrosion. Don't forget to wax your car every 3 to 6 months to protect the paint. And don't skip the interior. Vacuuming the seats and carpets can help maintain the car's resale value. And that's it. You now know 17 maintenance secrets mechanics don't want you to know that will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. By staying on top of these tasks, you can extend your car's life and avoid costly repairs. The best part? Most of these things are easy to do yourself. The average American spends $1,160 per year on vehicle maintenance and repairs, and with average vehicle age at 12.6 years and new car prices above $45,000, you're going to own your current car for a while. Learning these secrets now means thousands of dollars saved over your ownership period, like how learning to cook saves thousands compared to eating out for years. You'll never be caught off guard by surprise repair bills again. Instead, you'll have the confidence to take care of your car like a pro. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Keep your car running like new, and remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.